In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add crossplay friends here in Rocket League. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Rocket League uses your Epic Games account for cross-platform friends. So if you're on a PS5 and your friend is on Xbox, you got to add them through an Epic friend, not a console friend. So to do this, go to the main menu and you can hit R2 or right trigger, or if you're on PC, for example, you can just click on the little friend button down here, select it, open it up, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this where you're going to see all these different settings just like so. Go ahead and go to the one that looks like 2 people, and there's going to be an Add Epic Friends section right here. Select that. Now from here, you need to type in your friend's Epic ID, and you're going to want to have them send you their exact Epic Games username, and just carefully type it in. Whenever you're done, hit OK, and you'll be good to go, and it'll send you a friend request. Obviously, that is if the name is correct. If the, friend is not correct, or it says this player does not exist, that means obviously it was typed incorrectly or it was sent to you incorrectly. So double check your spelling, spaces, and capitalization. But when you send them a request, or say someone sends you a request, go to the friend section again and then go ahead and select your notifications, and you're going to see those friend requests in here. Green means accept, X means, deny, and then of course this one means block, so just keep that in mind. And as soon as you accept their friend request, they're going to appear in your general friends list right here. We can go ahead and invite them, do whatever you got to do. It really is as simple as that. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.